As designers, many of us get used to dealing with less than ideal data, whether that's sparse surveys, having to walk around with tape measures, taking our own photos, or making notes and red lines. But what if we could capture our entire site in 3D and bring it straight into CAD, reducing the need for site visits, as well as reducing errors or missed measurements? In today's video, we're testing the Realsee Galois P4. It's a 3D LiDAR scanner that captures real-world spaces and turns them into point clouds, CAD files, or even a 3D tour of the site. We're going to see how this scanner actually works, what it can do, how accurate it is, and I'm going to show you what we can do with the data in Recap and CAD once it's collected. I want to thank Realsee for lending me the scanner for a few weeks to try it out and give my honest opinion and thoughts about using it as a designer or engineer in the field. So jumping right in, why would we be using a 3D scanner in our design workflows? Well, capturing and knowing the existing conditions of any site, whether you're an interior designer, civil designer, or engineering tech, knowing what's going on in the site is the most important part. But this can also be the most time-consuming and frustrating part of design work, since a sparse survey can miss measurements you might need. If you don't actually go there, not having the imagery and seeing what's actually happening in the site can be tough to design around. For smaller firms, consultants, or designers working with tight timelines, this can slow everything down. So what does something like the P4 scanner do? Well, it's going to allow you to entirely capture your existing conditions and site in 3D, including LiDAR as well as high-definition imagery. Combining these two gives you the perfect 3D model and point cloud that you can then bring out and put into CAD or Recap or something along those lines. This is going to allow you to pull measurements later, check for conflicts and design issues, as well as keep the project moving along quickly, since you only need to go to site once to capture everything you need for designing, whether it's interior cabinets and kitchen, or it's exterior with ditching, roadway, or landscaping design and architecture, which I think is where this is going to really shine for my workflow. So I went out to scan a real site. Setup is easy. You simply download the Realsee app on your phone, boot up the scanner itself, and connect the two using Wi-Fi that's coming from the scanner. From there, you're going to get access to a handful of controls in the app, allowing you to start the scan. Placing the scanner somewhere in your site at approximately head height is going to work best. Once you hit scan, get out of the eyesight of the scanner and let it do its thing. It's going to spin around, capturing high quality imagery and LiDAR data, taking about 15 to 20 seconds per scan. Once it's finished, you're going to get an alert and it's going to show up on your map on your phone. Now you simply go and move the scanner to another location and repeat this roughly 3 to 5 meters apart depending on the site and location. Indoors you may want it slightly closer to make sure you capture everything, but it depends on the situation, and a bit of trial and error will get you sorted there. After each one, you simply hit the button to scan again and get out of the way. This makes it super fast to capture a full area with accurate and easily readable design data. Once you've scanned your site, like I did for these two areas, a playground and a sport court, as well as a recently completed ditching project with multiple culverts that I wanted to pull some measurements and data from, you simply upload this data into the Realsee platform using the app. Finishing out the project is going to upload it automatically. You can give it a name, and then once it's finished processing, you're going to get an alert, or you can simply log in on your computer to see that finished data. This is where we can really start to use and utilize this high quality data in our CAD and editing software. So not only are you going to get a point cloud, you're also going to get some other file options. So you can download a point cloud of all of your data. You can also actually convert it automatically to a 2D floor plan if, say, you're using this for interior design or architecture. This is a super huge time saver. You can also modify and edit any of the line work within this 2D plan in the online browser-based software, and then download it to a DWG where you've got the 2D line work to start designing off of. This is going to be super accurate and useful for people doing interior design and renovations like cabinetry or kitchen rework. You're going to get all of these measurements quickly and easily, and you're going to also have that 3D walkthrough model, which you can use and share from within the platform, which is super useful for real estate and architecture clients, where you can share the designs that you've scanned, what it's like, where it's going, and then overlay some of your design work in another software. So what else can we do with this data? Well, once you've modified and pulled your data off of their server, you can then import it into something like Recap or Civil 3D as a point cloud. This is going to allow you to pull accurate dimensions from your site. This is highly useful so that you don't have any conflicts when you go to site after a design. I have actually used these in the past quite a few times for piping design in cluttered and busy warehouses. When you're needing to design accurate pipes to fit through areas and not collide with other pipes, this is great because you can use this 3D model and then overlay your piping design and check for any conflicts and issues. You can measure doorways and access to make sure things can fit in and out. Or for my ditching design, we can measure distances and grades and elevations. This is going to give us a ton of information about the drainage of a site. And if it's in Civil 3D, I can start modeling my new corridors and designs directly on top of this cleaned up point cloud. Now you can do all this cleanup in something like Recap or another point cloud software, and then simply bring it directly into Civil 3D to get started with your design. So where do 3D scanners fit in the traditional workflows? This is going to replace multiple site visits over the course of a project. Scanning a site kind of early on in design and then later on in construction is going to give you a perfect visualization and digital twin of where the project started and where it went. This is going to eliminate a ton of mistakes and possible rework when you have accurate measurements and imagery of things you may not know you missed. Things like power line elevations are all captured within this scan, which I thought was really cool and didn't realize until I had looked at these afterwards. This is huge for construction sites where you might not be able to capture everything with just your eyes and a few photos, but being able to tour around in the 3D model can be a huge lifesaver. So as I mentioned, I think this is a huge time and money saver for everyone from engineers and architects to landscape designers, consultants, and even surveyors for an additional layer of site capture. While this isn't going to replace survey grade point data, it is a huge complement to it, and if you combine these scanners with ground control points and some survey grade data, you're going to have a perfect replication and digital twin of your site in a matter of minutes rather than hours. Overall, I've been super impressed and I had a blast trying this out. Even my son was able to handle it and thought it was pretty cool being able to scan these examples and areas around our neighborhood. It allowed us to take all of this real world site data and make it a digital twin in CAD. The combination of accuracy and speed, along with the ability to create these 3D walkthroughs, tours, and get CAD-ready data, makes it a really interesting tool for any designer or anybody dealing with these kind of projects and design workflows. I highly recommend trying out the Realsee Galois P4 in particular. They also have a catalog of other scanners and options, but if you're going to get the P4, you can use the CAD Intentions, one word, coupon code, and the link down below to get $300 off. And I just want to say thanks again to Realsee for sponsoring today's video and lending me this. I'm definitely going to be using one of these in the future some more. I think you guys should check it out as well. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe and like the video to get the next one. Have a good one, and cheers.